This is a question regarding an organization known as traffic. So the question is like this. With reference to traffic, a conservation organization consists of the following statements. And first statement, it acts to reduce wildlife crime and illegal trade. Then second, traffic works to enhance benefits from sustainable legal wildlife trade. Now, traffic, it's a wildlife trade monitoring network. So we know that there are lots of trafficking of wild animals is happening. So in order to curb this, we are having an organization known as traffic. So traffic is the wildlife trade monitoring network, and it's a joint program of WWF and IUCN. So traffic is a joint program of WWF and IUCN, and it's a wildlife trade monitoring network. And this traffic was established by WWF and IUCN because of the growing threats posed by illegal wildlife trade and overexploitation of that. So that's why this traffic was established. And this traffic, it's a non-governmental organization. It's an NGO. So it's the leading non-governmental organization working globally on trade in wild animals and plants. So they are working both on plants and animals in the context of both biodiversity conservation and sustainable development. So traffic is dealing with conservation as well as sustainable development. So traffic's work is organized around two priority work streams. First one is action to reduce wildlife crime and illegal trade. So first one is in order to reduce wildlife crime and illegal trade. And second one is action to enhance benefits from sustainable legal wildlife trade. So traffic is promoting sustainable and legal wildlife trade. That means they are promoting sustainable development. So these two are the two priority work streams of traffic. So the question again, with reference to traffic, a conservation organization consists of the following statements. It acts to reduce wildlife crime and illegal trade. So that was the first one, right? So traffic acts to reduce wildlife crime and illegal trade. And second one was the traffic was to enhance benefits from sustainable legal wildlife trade. So traffic is promoting sustainable legal wildlife trade. So both the statements are correct with regard to traffic.